They come from the tunnel. It is going to be all smiles. It's going to be all business. It is the Barbara Stadium that is hoping to breathe into something spectacular between the Red Army of Kumasi, Asante Kotoko, and that of Berekum Chelsea, who are working gallantly onto the pitch there and waiting patiently for the grass to usher them into this all-important contest and a battle, certainly giving a redemption to those who have a chance of winning the Premier League title.
Well, there's a lot more at stake rather than just the title, and it's all about proving a point. Some on board knowing that this is a terrain where he grew up and realizing his ambitions of getting into football management.
Tito has seen Kotoko in so many years, some 15, 20 years back. He was in the saddle for Kotoko, and now he's back again, and two captains on the side there. Berekum Chelsea have Prince Anani and that of Samba O'Neill, making sure that they work things out. We have Obedo Usu, formerly of Kotoko, and Samuel Birdie also has an assistant coach there, who once upon a time did play for Kotoko as well, Emmanuel Nkrumah. Here we go, all is set now for match week 18 of the Premier League at the Barbara Stadium. Kotoko in all red outfit there with Chelsea in their yellow and blue, certainly getting us into this game. And Berekum Chelsea, who have been one of the difficult sides for Toko sometimes back in the Premier League. Obviously looking forward to start in a very great fashion there. Morfin Donso scored a goal for Kotoko against All Blacks, and expecting to see the likes of Inusa Adam on the left flank there, trying to whip one into the box. He's got some...
And this is a place where Lord Amo Patrick Asiedu will fancy going direct on target.
A good position there for Kotoko to find a way to see if they can get the opening goal. And now it's going to be an opportunity for a left-footed drive. Just side netting it was. That's Seth Kojo with that huge blast there. Patrick Asiedu coming in with that, and that was a very, very great opportunity for the Porcupine Warriors to get the goal here. Powerfully was taken, but again it was the his performance in Ghana Premier League match between Berekum Chelsea and Wafa. In that particular match review come out and give something very spectacular there in the Premier League this season. Referee Vawa.
Well, he's one of the names that handles lots of matches. He's very firm.
We have about three players of Kotoko just behind the ball there and trying to find a way to get themselves into a very good place to score here. And now it's going to be Samba. Once again, he just hit the ball wide. Twice he's gone very close, and twice he's got those opportunities away, and set pieces are really coming good in Kotoko's way. They haven't really taken advantage of that.
It's quite surprising he wants to hit the target from that distance.
Again, Owusu for Augustin Ejepong, former Kotoko player, into the box there. Augustin Ejepong again. Okay, now they want to find themselves in a very advantageous position to get a goal. Taking shot here, the corner kick. It's been sent down to the captain, who's trying to hit one into the box. Joe has been pushed off the ball now. Chelsea have a chance to move forward. You have Dominic being given a chance here with a shot here, and just sweeping across the face of goal. Dominic Frimpong with a chance. Joe again a bit lethargic with possession, and he was shoved off the ball. Chelsea do have a player trying to go down again. That was a chance there given by finds out Shaibu to Dominic Frimpong, and again feebly he shot, and
right touch and control to keep it down. Another chance going up again there for poor decision making in the penalty area.
Adam Inusa again couldn't kill the ball to the back post. And that has been the situation here at the Barbara Stadium, Kotoko and Berekum Chelsea. Both teams have not really come into the party as yet. It's just sitting there behind the gate and looking for some Babara Stadium, Kotoko, Berekum, Chelsea, as both sides remain unchanged from the
second half. We could see a lot more scoring opportunities in this game.
Joe finds space there. Kotoko, Amido Aqua goes to ground. Another opportunity for Kotoko to advertise a long ball there. This time, these balls can't beat Oforientry. It's a difficult moment there. And again, there's a Pocket Point Warriors who are having difficulties trying to find a net. Berekum Chelsea just want the win and one draw to the two sides, and they don't have a free kick. It's been hit against the wall there and goes off. Came off the body of Samba O'Neill, and so it's going to be a corner kick advantage there. Berekum Chelsea. They're trying to get back into. Samba O'Neill trying to stop that one there, and Chelsea may have a chance to get a goal there, but Kamara coming to the rescue. Marvin Owusu here for Berekum Chelsea, looking to move forward here. And Augustine Japan dropping the ball back with the left. He drives one and it's been collected there by Kamara.
Just quite a decent head there from Augustine. Was looking at curling that effort into. This organization seems to be a bit problematic. They've been scattered all around.
Now they have a chance to curl this one into the 18 arms of goalkeeper of re-entry. It's been agile here. He's been very, very. And here they go again. Saka Dauda. Murphy Dontu. On the charge here on the right hand side is Saka Dauda again. And this time is Murphy Dontu. Kwampoku was the opportunity. I'll tell you what, he just got into a very good place and just didn't get the target right. Quality and a splendid play there. Kotoko, and look at the pass again. He's just trying to ding the ball over goalkeeper. Eric Ofori entry, but just couldn't get it right.
That was a brilliant sequence of play there from Kotoko.
Saka Dauda. Searching play finds Lord Amwa. Charging here on the right. Lord Amwa with a cross into the box, and again Kotoko not able to connect beautifully. But the goalkeeper will have possession right in front of Berekum Chelsea's 18-yard box, and again the attacking play with
delivery. Ask yourself, who was going to connect with Prince Bedu? Kwampoku a bit late then, and very good clearance from Augustine Japan, but that drive from Hibejo watered down by Mohamed Saidu with a block.